Water is essential to life, and understanding whether you should drink water before or after meals is key to optimizing your health. Water supports digestion, regulates body temperature, flushes out toxins, and helps every cell in your body function at its best. But when it comes to drinking water and meals, there's a lot of confusion. Should you drink water before, during, or after meals? And how does the timing of your hydration impact digestion, metabolism, and overall health? Today, we'll uncover the science and bust some myths surrounding this topic. Let's start with the basics. Drinking water before meals has some clear benefits. Studies have shown that drinking a glass of water about 20 to 30 minutes before a meal can make you feel fuller, leading to smaller portion sizes and fewer calories consumed. This habit can be particularly helpful for those aiming to lose weight or prevent overeating. Additionally, drinking water before meals helps prepare your stomach for digestion. Water activates digestive enzymes and ensures that your system is ready to break down food. It can also boost your metabolism slightly, giving your body a small energy kick before you even start eating. But is there a downside? Drinking too much water immediately before eating can leave you feeling overly full or bloated, which may reduce your appetite more than you intended. The key here is moderation. 1 glass of water before meals is ideal for most people. When it comes to drinking water during meals, this is often a source of debate. Some believe that drinking water during meals dilutes stomach acids and interferes with digestion. While this theory has gained traction over the years, scientific evidence doesn't fully support it. In fact, drinking small sips of water while eating can actually aid digestion. Drinking water during meals helps moisten food, making it easier to chew and swallow, which is an essential part of the digestive process. Water can also slow down your eating pace. By sipping between bites, you give your body time to recognize when you're full. This can help prevent overeating and reduce the likelihood of feeling sluggish or overly stuffed after a meal. However, it's worth noting that drinking large quantities of water during a meal might cause bloating or discomfort for some individuals. If this happens to you, stick to small, frequent sips instead of gulping down an entire glass. Drinking water before meals has its benefits, but what about after meals? Drinking water after meals plays a crucial role in completing the digestive process. Hydrating after eating supports digestion by helping to dissolve and transport nutrients through your body. Water can assist in moving food through your intestines, reducing the risk of constipation or digestive sluggishness. It's also a great way to curb post-meal cravings. Many people mistake thirst for hunger, so drinking water after a meal can help you avoid unnecessary snacking. That said, drinking excessive amounts of water immediately after eating might disrupt digestion for some people. If you feel overly full or uncomfortable, consider waiting 20 to 30 minutes before drinking a larger amount of water. There's a lot of misinformation about the timing of water intake around meals, so let's address a few common myths. The first myth is that drinking water during meals dilutes stomach acid and stops digestion. The truth is, your stomach is fully capable of adjusting its acid levels as needed. Small amounts of water won't interfere with digestion. In fact, they can actually support it. Another common belief is that cold water during meals slows digestion. While warm or room temperature water might feel more comfortable for some, there's no conclusive evidence that cold water harms digestion in any way. Finally, some claim that drinking water before meals leads to nutrient loss. In reality, water before meals has no negative impact on nutrient absorption. It can even enhance digestion by preparing your stomach to process food effectively. Understanding these facts can help you make informed decisions about your hydration habits. To get the most out of your hydration habits, let's talk about how to stay hydrated before, during, and after meals. Drink a glass of water 20 to 30 minutes before each meal to enhance fullness and prepare your stomach for digestion. Take small sips during meals to aid digestion and control your eating pace. Avoid drinking large amounts of water in one go. Finally, wait 20 to 30 minutes after meals before drinking significant amounts of water to give your body time to initiate digestion. Remember, the goal is to stay hydrated throughout the day. Your overall water intake is far more important than the precise timing around meals. Listen to your body's cues and adjust your routine as needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.